Hi everybody, Philip Rodiker here, John L. Scott. How you doing? We got another beautiful property coming on the market right now, right in the heart of Redmond, right downtown. I mean, we are like right in the center of it. It's a beautiful townhouse community. This neighborhood, very rarely does any properties come up, and there's one's coming up right now. And the reason why I'm inside versus outside is because of all the upgrades the seller did in this house. We've got, distressed hardwood floors that have been put in here, got slate around the fireplace, built-in cabinetry. The seller has done everything, stainless steel appliances, comes with a garage. It's just absolutely beautiful. You know what? You guys have to get inside and take a look at this one. And if you want me to give you a personal show, you can do that too. It's Phil Rodiker at johnlscott.com or my phone number 206-914-7252. And at the end of the video, we're gonna have a special surprise for you on this one. Okay, here's the thing that I was talking about earlier that you guys are going to be super excited about, and that is we are on the Sammamish River Trail, right off of the condominium complex, the townhouse complex. Right on this side is the Sammamish River Trail. The trail goes all the way to Woodinville this way for an afternoon delight for drinks if you like down there in Woodinville area, and this way goes all the way to Marymoor Park. And right up there where you see the bridge is a duck sanctuary. So it's nice, peaceful, relaxing back here. And this really sets the tone for the neighborhood. So when you guys come out, don't miss this part of the development. You're gonna really love it down here. So here you go.